friends, welcome to
You are
Lighting. This is Mandy.
This is Cherry.
Today is the first day of September, and is everything okay of all of you guys? I hope you all the best and successful in September and all the months this year. And today, as you can see in our table, I would like to introduce our accessories to you. And here is our magnetic check wheel. This one is the surface mounted check wheel, and this one is the concealed check wheel. And for our magnetic check wheel, we also have 3 sizes: 1 meter, 2 meter, and 3 meter. This one is 1 meter magnetic check wheel, and this one is 2 meters magnetic check wheel. We also have longer size, that is 3 meters check wheel, and now I just show you 2 sizes. Yes.
Yeah.
Besides this, for our magnetic check wheel, we also have 3 sizes of the width. $15mm, $20mm, and $35mm. This one is the slim one, slimmest one, 15mm magnetic check wheel. This one is 20mm magnetic check wheel. This one is 35mm magnetic check wheel. 3 sizes. And for these check wheels, we also match different size magnetic check light. Just like this one. This one is 20mm magnetic check light, and you can see, for this light, this check wheel, you can see it is obviously too big, not flexible. So for our magnetic check light, we also need to match the same size of our check wheel. 20mm, we match 20mm magnetic check wheel, and 35mm check wheel check light, we need to match 35mm check wheel. And now you can see, if we put this light in, put this 20mm check light into the 20mm check wheel, you will see it is perfect. Yes. And you can see this light is easy to slip up away from the check wheel, and you can see here is the copper. Also easy to slip up this check wheel. So what we need to do, that is the next step. Yes, we need this plug to install in this check wheel, and the light and copper will not slip out. Now let me show you how to install this plug into this check wheel. The material of this one is plastic sheet. Besides this plastic sheet, we also need 2 screws. Is there have some screws? Yes.
Oh, yeah. Here.
Yes, you find it. Yes, for the next step, we need to use these tools to put these screws in the plastic. 这个没有螺丝的，这么尴尬。后面没有螺丝的吗？直接放。没有。 The series is like that. We need to put this plug into the check rail, and when we install the lights into the check rail, that the light will not slip out again. Yes, it is stable. Yes.
Yes.
The light will not slip out. And this is the reasonable method. Yes, and just now, if we didn't put into this plug, then it is unreasonable installation. Yes. And I can also show you the 30 millimeters check rails to install into the 35 millimeters check rail. Yes, this one is also stable. And this check rail is the same as the 20 millimeter check rail. We also need to put the plug into this check rail to avoid the lights slip out. Yes. And now, how about I show you the lighting effect? And before I show you the lighting effect, I would like to introduce two adapters to you. As you can see in our table, here has two adapters. Do you know the difference of these two adapters? Let me tell you. This one is called the integrated power supplier. That means we no need to put any others accessories, just put this adapter into the check rail and connect the power. Then this check rail was electrified, and if we put the lights into this check rail, the lights will be bright. And we also have another type. This one is called the slip type power supplier. For this one, we also need to match another accessories. That is this one. This one is called the conducting model. Yes, here has 4 lines, and we need to connect the zero light and the fire light into these two positions. And this size, we connect the power, and when we put this size into the check rail, and this one, you can cut a hole in the ceiling to hide this adapter in the ceiling, or you can just make some project to put this adapter in anywhere if you think it is suitable. Yes.
Yes.
And this size, we connect the power, and this check rail is also can be electrified. These two types of adapter. This one is more convenient, but this one is also a little expensive than this one. So if you want to install the lights convenient, you can choose this one. And if you want the economic one, then you can choose this one. It depends on you. Yes, and now let me show you the lighting effect if we connect this power supplier. This side we install this adapter in the check rail, and another side we need to connect this line into this switch. Wait a moment. When you connect the power, you first need to turn off the switch because it is not safe if you open the switch and connect the power. Maybe you will get electric shock. So be safety when you are connect the power. And now let's install the lights to see if the lights can bright. Yes, we install the lights and then open the switch.
Wow. So beautiful.
Can you see the lighting effect? Let's find a black board to see the lighting effect more clearly. Yes, this light will use the silver light source, so the lighting effect will be more concentrated and be brighter. Yes, and now we just show you the lighting effect of the 20mm check reel. We can also show you we also have the 50mm check reel and 35mm check reel. You can see the lighting effect, but now today I just show you this 20mm. So if you want to see more videos or some lighting effects, you can leave us your contact information and I will send our catalogs or our high quality video and photos to you. You can see them obviously. Yes. And today we just show you something. Oh. Beside this, this one is the surface multi-check reel, and we also have I will show you the installation. For this one, we just need to put it into the wall or on the ceiling directly. Yes, you can see. And we also have the conceal check reel, and I will also show you the installation. Suppose this wood ball is the ceiling, and we first need to leave 45mm and the length in the ceiling first. Like this. Suppose here is the ceiling and you need to cut the hole here. This hole is for the concealed magnetic check reel. And now let's put the concealed magnetic check reel in this ceiling. And we also need some ball to. Now here is the image when we just put the check reel into the ceiling, like this. And we also need to put 2 balls on this ceiling to hide the part of the check rail outside the ceiling. Yes, and as you can see, this installation is the finished image. When we finish install the ceiling, install the check rail will be this image, just like the surface mounted check rail being cut into the wall or on the ceiling. Yes, that is this is the installation. Yes, actually they are all easy installation, and if you still don't understand, you can search and we will show you how to install it directly and clearly. And besides the surface mounted check rail and concealed check rail, we also have another, that is the Swinner package check rail. Then how we install this kind of check rail, we need to use this wire and make some accessories to install in this check rail and put it into the ceiling. Now I didn't show you the clearly installation, just show you some brief image. So if you want to see the real effect or want to know how to install it, you can tell me, and I also will send you pictures and shoot some videos for you to teach you how to install the check rail. Yes, that's all for today's sharing. Today we introduced some magnetic check rail, 3 size, 3 dimension, and 3 types. Next time we will introduce other series of products to you, because we manufacture a wide range of LED products. So if you're interested in spotlight, panel light, or magnetic check light, wall light, or chandeliers, you can contact us. Yes, today we just show you something, and in our next live stream we will show you more. So if you want to know more, just follow your latest live stream and follow us. We will show you more of our products. Yes. Then see you next time.
See you next time.
See you.
See you.